Hello viewers, in this particular video we would be talking about multiplication using Vedic maths. In this particular discussion we would be talking about multiplication for those cases where we have the values above and below a particular reference value. Now here the sutra that would be considered for the multiplication is Niklam Navtas Charmam Dashatah. It means all from 9 and last from 10. And the sub-sutra that would be considered here for the multiplication for the above and the below the base value would be Anurupena. Anurupena means proportionality. So let's take the example. I have taken up various examples and suppose let's take up the first one, that is 12 into 7. Okay. Now let's make out the base value. The base value over here is 10. Why? Because both these numbers are nearest to 10. Now considering the number of places in the RHS side, because 10 has a single 0, so we need only a single place in the RHS side. So let's solve it out. So we have 12 and 7. RHS will have a single place and a single place. For the answer also RHS will have a single place. Now let's move to the sutra of Niklam Navtas Charmam Dashatah. It means because we have the base value as 10, when we compare 12 and 10, it is 2 more than the base value. And similarly, when we consider 7, it is 3 less than the base value. Now once we have identified the base value, what we have learned is that when we go for calculation of the RHS, we multiply. And when we do the multiplication is done along with the sign of the digits. So when we go for calculating the RHS values, we have plus 2 into minus 3. So that will come out to be minus 6. Because 2 into 3 is 6 and plus into minus is minus. So the RHS will come out to be minus 6. Now coming to the LHS. LHS talks about diagonal addition or subtraction. Diagonal addition or subtraction means 12 minus 3. So that is 9. Or 7 plus 2, that is 9. So we have the LHS portion to be 9 and the RHS portion to be minus 6. Now what we find that the RHS value is having a negative. Obviously we need to convert it into a positive value. Now when we talk about converting into a positive value, so we need to borrow 1 from LHS. The moment we are borrowing 1 from LHS, this 9 will become 8. Right? And we have 1 over here. Because we have the base value as 10, this 1 when it moves to the RHS will become 10. Now convert this negative value into positive value. 10 minus 6, that is 4. So the answer comes out to be 84. Now let's verify the answer. The first multiplier is 12. Digital sum of 12 would be 1 plus 2 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So the digital sum of 12 will be 3. Next multiplier is 7. Obviously 7 itself when added to itself, so the digital sum will be 7. The answer comes out to be 84 and the digital sum of 84 will be 8 plus 4, that is 12, and 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now calculate this particular value. This value can be obtained by the multiplication of the digital sum of the two multipliers. So that is 7 into 3, that is 21, and 21 can be written as 1 plus 2, that is 3. Now because this value and this value matches, hence our calculation is perfectly right. Okay, so this is one example where we have taken the base value as 10. Let's take another example where we have the base value as 100. Here we have the base value as 10. So we have 99 into 105. Both these values are nearest to 100. So the base value would be 100. The number of places that we need to leave down for the RHS will be 2, and it is governed by the number of zeros we have in the base value. Fine, that's done. Now let's come up with the calculation. We have 99 and 105. Now comparing the values with the base value. 99, first make out the number of places in RHS. RHS will have 2 places, and in the answer also RHS will have 2 places. Now when we compare 99 with 100, it is 1 less than the base value. And when we compare 105, it is 5 more than the base value. Now let's move for the computation of the RHS and the LHS. It's not mandate that we always need to proceed with the RHS or with the LHS. We can either proceed with the LHS and then RHS. There is no mandate rule for that. Let's proceed for the LHS now. LHS talks about diagonal addition or subtraction depending upon the sign that particular value carries along with it. So we have 99 plus 5, so that is 104, or 105 minus 1, so that is 104. So we have done with the LHS portion, so we have 104. Coming to the RHS portion, we have minus 1 into plus 5, so that will be minus 5. Now because we have 2 places in the RHS, we need to write it as minus 0.5. Okay, now because we have negative in the RHS portion, we need to convert it into positive. And when we need to convert into positive, obviously we need to borrow particular value from the LHS. Now we have 104. The moment we are borrowing 1 from the LHS, this 104 will become 103. And this will be 100. 100 minus 5 will be 95. So we have the answer as 10395. Let's verify the answer. The first multiplier is 99. The second is 105. The answer is 10395. Now let's compute the digital sum. Digital sum is the summation of the digits. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 means 8 plus 1 is 9. So here we need to write 9. 1 plus 0 plus 5, that is 6. So the digital sum comes out to be 6. Multiply the digital sum of the first multiplier and the second multiplier. So we have 9 into 6, 9 6 are 54. 54 means 5 plus 4, that comes out to be 9. Now let's compute the digital sum of the answer. So we have 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 9 is 13, and 13 plus 5 is 18. And 18 means 1 plus 8, and that comes out to be 9. So because this value and this value is matching, hence our answer is perfectly right. So in this particular case, we had taken the base value as 100. Let's take up third example, and in the third example, we have the base value as 1000. So the next example we need to take is 989 into 1008. The base value over here is 1000 because both the values are closest to 1000. One value is above and the other value is below. Now identifying the number of places. Number of places means number of zeros. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now let's move to the computation part. This number of places is 3 and 3. For the answer also in the RHS we have 3. Now let's compare this value with 1000. Using Nicolam we identified that it is 11 less than 1000. Identifying 1008 and 1000. It is 8 more than 1000. So the rule says whatever exceed it is, make it much more exceed, and whatever deficient it is, make it less. Okay, as we identified that this number is less, we are again making it again less, and because this number is more, we are again making it more. Means जितना अधिक अधिक बनाओ, जितना कम उसे और कम करो. Now let's make it out the calculation for the RHS and the LHS. LHS talks about diagonal addition or subtraction. So we have 989 plus 008. So we have 997. Or the other way out is 1008 minus 011. This is the other way out. Okay. So we have the same answer. We have 997. So we have the LHS portion. Now let's come to RHS portion. RHS would be minus 11 into plus 8, and that will come out to be minus 88. Minus 88 need to be written as minus 088. Now let's make it out. We have 997 and minus 088. Okay. Now because this is a negative number, we are borrowing 1 from here. The moment we are borrowing 1 from here, we'll make it 996. Now 1000 minus 088. We'll use Nicolam, Navtash, Charmam, Dashata. Means all from 9 and last from 10. So we have 2, 1 and 9. So the answer that comes out to be is 996, 912. Let's verify the answer. The first number is 989. The second is 1008. And the third answer which we get is 996, 912. The digital sum of this will be 9 plus 8 plus 9. So that will be 26. And 26 means 2 plus 6, that is 8. Next, 8 plus 1 will be 9. 8 9s are 72 and 7 plus 2 is 9. Now the digital sum of the answer, 9 plus 9 plus 9. And 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 4s are 36. 36 means 3 plus 6, that is 9. Now because this value and this value are matching, hence our answer is right. So in this particular case, we have taken the base value as 1000. Now let's take up the last example where the base value will be 10,000. So we have 9998 into 10012. The base value will be 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of places in the RHS that we need to leave down will be 4. Let's write the number 9998 10012. We have identified we need 4 places, we need 4 places. And the answer also, we need 4 places. Right? Now, when we compare this number with 10,000 using Nicolam, Navtash, Charmam, Dashata, we find that it is 2 less than the base value. And when we compare this value with this is 12 excess of the base value. Now let's make out the calculation. We have the LHS and the RHS. LHS will be diagonal addition, this is one of the option, or diagonal subtraction. So either ways we get the same answer. And 1%, if we are not getting the same answer, it means there is some difference or some problem in identifying these particular values. So we have done with the LHS. Now come to the RHS. So that will be minus 2 into 12. That is minus 24. Minus 24 need to be written as minus 0024. Now, as we see that the RHS is negative in sign, so we are borrowing 1 from here. 1 from here, so this will become 1 deficient, so this will be 10009. Right. Now, let's subtract it. We have all from 9, last from 10. We use the Nicolum rule, 9976. Now, the answer comes out to be 10009. 9976, and see how easily we are able to make out the calculation. When you go for the traditional approach or the way we used to practice out, we used to find that it was comparatively much more difficult, but here it is coming to be relatively very simpler, and moreover we can go for even verifying the answer. First is 9998. Next is 10012, and the answer is 1009996. Now let's calculate the digital sum. 9 4s are 36, 1 deficient 35. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. 8 4s are 32. 32 means 3 plus 2, that is 5. Right. Now let's compute the digital sum of the answer. We have 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 18 is 28, 28 plus 13 is 41. 41 means 4 plus 1, and 4 plus 1 means 5. So because the digital sum of the answer and the digital multiplication of the digital sum of the two numbers is matching, hence our answer is right. So as we have seen in this discussion, that here we have taken the multiplication of above and below the base value, and as we have taken 4 examples here, the first example had the base value of 10, the second as 100, the third as 1000, and the last as 10,000. And as we can see that using this particular approach, the answer, the calculation and the possibility of errors is relatively less, and it is comparatively less effortsome. Thanks a lot.